Hello people, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making donuts. Here I have all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of instant yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, mix together. Two tablespoons of butter, before mixing, make sure you have a very clean surface ready. 130 grams of milk, one medium egg, and we are going to transfer this to the clean surface we knead. Your dough should be very stretchy. Mine is not stretchy enough yet, so we keep kneading. Your dough is too soft, it's okay to add more flours, and we beat our dough for at least minimum of 2 minutes. It should be very stretchy, just like mine or more than mine. Now it's ready to be transferred to a bowl, and I spray my bowl with oil. Transfer the dough to the bowl. And cover with clay film. Set this aside in a warm place until it doubles in size. Mine stayed for 1 hour, 30 minutes. Cut piece by piece. understand it's not everyone that will have donut cutter in their homes, so I here with another options how you can cut your donut. You don't need to have donut cutter for you to make donut. This is a medicine cup which you can buy in any pharmacy. Preferably, most of them come with medication these days. I'll continue the course till finish. And here is my donut cutter. And I pour some oil in my pan. Let it be on low to medium heat. Now we're going to flip the donut. And I fry this on a low heat, low to medium heat. And if you notice, I have some burn around the donut. That's because I did not have enough oil in my pan. If you don't want that tiny burnt, make sure you have enough oil. And I continue to fry my donut till it finished. It's ready. Now we're going to sprinkle it with sugar. This is totally optional. If you don't want sugar, it's still very okay, still very yummy. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.